Yo, what is going on? It is 5:35, Tuesday, December 9th. Today I took 2 trades, 2 break-evens though. 2 solid setups nonetheless. Very unfortunate way that they ended up playing out. So let's get into it. So hold on, let me move this a little smaller. So coming into the day, I did have a bearish narrative. We were trending downwards. So yeah, like we were just overall downtrend, correct? Even from yesterday, just overall downtrend. So I wanted to stay bearish. However, if a long opportunity presented itself, which it did, I was willing to take it as a reversal, which usually I don't find myself taking reversals. And that's this new thing that I'm getting over, that kind of fear of entering. I'm out the window, which is good. This is what I said I wanted to do. And that's what I'm finally fucking doing after all this time. So yeah, this trade, we had the 930 Judas come up, which this could even been another trade, inverse this 1 minute, and we swing down to take previous day low, which as you can see, now we're SMT'd with this sell side in this low of day where ES failed to take it. Internal, external SMT. There's a 2 minute fair value gap, which we beautifully displace an inverse on one candle. I get the limit fill right here. And then we start pumping up, like just 4 candles of pure bullish displacement with a good rejection. Look at this rejection. Beautiful fucking rejection. Great displacement. I'm like, cool. Now we fill this 2 minute and start respecting this 2 minute on the next candle, even on this candle. So I'm like, all right, I'm going to move my stop to this protected low because I've just been getting fucked and done dirty. So I just wanted to secure even a little bit of profit. It was only like $100. And then look what happens. So we get stopped out. And even if I didn't move my stop to the protected low, even just right here, I would have been even more pissed because it would have been to the tick. Oh no. Oh no. Let me see where my fill was actually now. Now I want to make sure on this. My fill was 5975. 59475. Oh, so the protected low would have cooked me. Wouldn't have, I mean, because I went protected low, I got cooked. I actually would have been saved. Wow. So now I just figured that out. I thought that right? That's correct. Yeah. Oh, wait. No, I need to see how it looks on minis. That's what I need to check. That's on minis. It did tag me out, I believe. Right. Let me double check that. Let me double check it out. Yes. Minis tagged me out. So if I was in on NQ, I had a chance of staying alive, but micros would have. Would it have? No, it wouldn't have. Oh, it wouldn't have. Fuck. So I stopped myself out today. Lesson learned. Lesson fucking learned. I just didn't want to see. I seen this displacement. It's market open. I seen the Judas. I didn't want to see us get fucked over and just have it reverse. So I wanted to secure a little bit of profit. The protected low is not a bad move up. And the reason why I didn't just take it to this internal high was because this was only 1.27, and these were evals that I took it on. I should have taken this on my funded as well, bro. I need to get over that shit. This would have been a funded play. 2RR to these equal highs. I thought that it was just going to pump. Once it respected this 2 minute, I was like, cool, we're good. We're just going to start pumping back up, take these equal highs, and then start, do whatever we want to do after that. But as I can see now, just leave break even, bro. Don't even trail profits. I just thought because we got 11 points away from those equal highs, it would have worked, but fucked myself over today, and as you can see, made only $104 on 2 accounts, which they are still negative. Great. Okay, I didn't know that till now. I thought that I just got fucked over and done dirty. I thought it would have tagged me out to the tick and then ran up. Okay, so I learned my lesson. And this is the second trade. No, this is not the second. This is not the trade I took. This is the trade that I took. Where is it at? What the fuck trade did I take? Why isn't this letting me switch time frames? Let's go and double check this. Econ. Yes, off the equal high sweep. Oh, because this is a 2 minute. I'm goofy as hell. All right, so right here. Let me move this out the way. This was just a forward test is what it was. This was trade number 2 that I ended up taking. Market order fill right there. Body stop. And I just wanted to run it to this internal low. We had data low right here. We had swept these equal highs. We were also SMT'd up top with, I believe, London high. Yes, we were London high SMT. So we had the external SMT. We had a perfectly, again, displacing candle. External SMT, sweep of liquidity, perfectly displacing candle. Data lows below, and then an internal low to take. And we just, but I was still bearish on the day now. Like, I'm like, okay, cool. We're not going to deliver to these equal highs. AMD, look at this accumulation, manipulation. I'm thinking we're perfect AMD, external draw, SMT with a perfect draw on liquidity. Beautiful displacement, data low below, and internal low to be, to just take profit at. What do? We SMT with data low. As you can see, ES took it on this candle. So once we SMT, I go break even and got break even immediately. So yeah, those are my 2 trades on the day. What did I learn today, man? A couple things. I learned that I'm gonna just leave my shit break even. This trade, I really thought we were so volatile. We're sitting at market open. I'm like, bro, the volatility's there. We're just gonna fucking zoom and deliver. And I get stopped out, and I stop myself out essentially because I wouldn't have even gotten stopped out. Would have been saved by 1.75 points. Discipline, Nick, discipline. That's a part of discipline. So instead of making, let's see how much I would have made. I'm actually curious to see how much I would have made. What did I go in with? I went in with 6 cons. 417 risk because I practiced. Instead of making 846, I only made 100. That's a pain in the fucking ass. That's a real big pain in the ass. So I only made 100 instead of making 846. That's what I get. So I missed out $1,400 today because of that. That's how you do it. That's how you learn. These are 2 trades I should have taken on my funded account. 100% should have taken. This is a beautiful trade I should have taken on my funded account. This is a beautiful trade I should have been taking on my funded account. Why am I not entering on my funded account? Because of fear. That fear that I'm still getting over right now. Well, I just label it as fear. I don't really know. I guess, yeah, we're going to have to call it fear because if I'm not clicking the button, my setup's there. That's just me being a bitch and scared. But yeah, I learned that today. I just need to leave my break evens alone. I just really was confident that, we have respected. We respected that 2-minute gap, and we just continued to pump higher. What about the 3-minute? I don't know why I didn't even check the 3-minute chart. Oh, we didn't even leave anything. So I was just certain that, we don't leave an inverse right here on the 2-minute, and we respected it with a nice wick. I'm like, bro, we're just gonna shoot up higher now. This is good to see. Move my stop up. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna secure a little bit of profit, which I don't even know why, bro. I get antsy, but I learned my lesson, right? Another thing I wanted to talk about was that I said I wanted to be taking more trades. Boom, exactly. 2 great setups, 2 well risk managed trades. Didn't overtrade after, didn't want to take something else like this, even though this is another good setup right here. We have like a internal draw, internal SMT, but the only problem was that we were London high SMT'd, and yeah. Like, if we had equal highs above, would have thought about it. But 3 trades is just too much. I would have just been forcing shit. I still took 2 trades, 2 break evens. This one, honestly, shouldn't have been break even. Should have hit full TP, but that is my fault. My fault, and I learned. So, yeah. But, again, like I said, I wanted to be taking more trades. I wanted to just see my setup, take my setup, and not be a bitch about it. What have I been doing this last week and a half? That exactly. It's nice to see. The improvements there. It's giving me a lot more confidence. And I'm just going to continue to do the same. So, yeah, sucks that I couldn't have made bank today because I stopped myself out. I did myself dirty. I should have low-key. Would I have market ordered this? Oh, shit. Hey, be nice. Should I have even market ordered this? Low-key could have market ordered this as well, so it's all good. It's not about hindsight. It's about what actually happened. But what's actually happening is that I'm improving, and we see that. I'm showing that in live time. I'm showing that day by day, day in and out. That's why I'm glad that I actually am taking track and taking note of this every single day. These accounts are still negative, but I have 3 days this week to get it over. Let's try to get it like 1200, but we have great fucking news tomorrow, even though we have this FOMC in the afternoon, which is a little bit scary because we will be mad choppy. So, and I probably won't be trading afternoon. Like, I won't be trading PM. We have Thursday and then we have Friday. So let's try to smack for some big bread, and let's leave our break evens at break even. Let's not fuck ourselves over like we did today, because these accounts would have been up 400, take a ban tomorrow, 1400, take a ban on Thursday, 2000, take 600 on Friday, and call it. That's it. Like, that would have been it. So, fucked myself over. Nice, right? Fucking great. But yeah, that's about all that I got today. So, remain positive, stay delusional, Peace, love, positivity. Take care.